those of you that are new to my channel, here I have my son-in-law Jason, my daughter Dawn, and my grandson Jake. And here I am with three of my grandsons, Lucas, Jake, and Kyle. Aaron is at college and couldn't make it home for Easter, but we miss him. And here I am with my two kids. On the left is my daughter Dawn, and on the right is my son Scott. Here's me with my daughter Dawn. Every holiday we take our traditional mother-daughter picture. And here's my son-in-law Jason with his dad Jerry and my grandson Jake. Dawn loves to decorate, so she has a small tree, and every holiday she switches up the decorations. And you know, Dawn has to have all her Easter decorations out. This is the window in her kitchen, the little bunnies and the egg trees. Well, it was a nice sunny Easter Sunday. Not as warm as it was on Saturday. It was 87 degrees there, but it was in the upper 60s, and a nice day for the boys to go out and throw the ball and work up an appetite. Here's my grandson Jake and my other grandson Kyle. Let me go over and see where Kyle is. There's Kyle. Two athletes. Lucas is inside and Aaron couldn't come home from college. He's still at school. Everybody's busy making homemade mac and cheese, Caesar salad, and Dawn's famous green beans. Oh, it looks like the salad has been tossed by none other than Dawn. But Jason did make the salad, right, Jason?
I did.
Yes, and Dawn dressed it. Okay.
Yeah, I'm too heavy on the dressing.
Oh yeah, she said Jason is too heavy on the dressing. There's Jason. You see him every holiday making the main course. Well, I should say the main meat. Today it's a ham for Easter.
Spiral ham with honey glaze.
Oh,
glaze.
Yummy. I like spiral ham.
Can't beat it.
Yeah.
What's that, Jace, honey? Oh, it's like a pineapple honey.
Macaroni and cheese is coming.
Citrus, like a citrus honey.
Very nice. Dawn's over there whipping up the garlic butter. She's making some buttery garlic rolls.
First time trying this, so.
Well, I bet they're going to be delicious.
How bad can butter and salt and pepper
Not bad at all.
be on a bun in the oven?
It looks like dinner is about to be served. Here we have our spiral ham and our garlic buttery rolls and Dawn's green beans with some Parmesan cheese, homemade mac and cheese, creamy cauliflower, and Caesar salad. So everybody is getting ready to dig in for their Easter dinner, including Pebbles.
Doesn't usually eat when
I think so. It's maybe the night.
stressed out.
Everybody's lined up to eat. We're all starving. Here's our Easter dessert. Ooh, look at this yummy cake. This is a tuxedo cake. Chocolate with mousse in it. And here is my peanut butter pie I made. Yep. The video is on my YouTube channel, The Baking Diva, if you want to see how I made it. And here's chocolate-covered strawberries. Look at this. I cut one of the roses in half. Look at the size of that. Strawberry is so big. We have the roses with the strawberries inside, and we have the chocolate chip cookies. Everybody's ready for dessert. And it is Pebbles' 9th birthday today. So we're going to sing happy birthday to Pebbles. Ready, set, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pebbles. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now?
She's gonna blow out her.
She's 9 years old today.
Okay, ready, Peps?
Make a wish. Make a wish, Pebbles.
Oh, good job.
Yay! The Ice Bucket Challenge is back. I'm sure many of you will remember about 10 years ago there was an Ice Bucket Challenge for ALS. Well, the 2025 version is back. The USC, that's University of South Carolina, brought this Ice Bucket Challenge back to tackle a new issue, mental health awareness. The USC Ice Bucket Challenge follows the same format as the original. Participants dump ice water on their heads or have someone else dump it on camera. Post the video online and make a donation to research. Then they nominate 2 to 5 others to follow suit within 24 hours. Professionals and college students are participating in this. Let's see who took the challenge next.
Thank you, Kristen and Aaron, for the USC Speak Your Mind Ice Bucket Challenge. I nominate Kyle, Luch, and Jose. 24 hours. Good luck. That's cool.
And our next participant?
Thank you, Hannah and Connor, for nominating me for the USC Speak Your Mind Challenge. I'll be nominating Jake Goldberg, Lucas McGrory, and Josh Janowski. You have 24 hours.
And do we have another?
Thank you, Jake Goldberg, for nominating me for the USC Speak Your Mind Ice Bucket Challenge. I'm going to nominate Ethan Karate, Dylan Samick, and Lucas Nagel. You have 24 hours. Good luck.
And last, but certainly not least,
Can you restart? Thank you, Kyle Nagel and Mason Pepe, for nominating me for the USC Speak Your Mind Ice Bucket Challenge. I nominate Stable Ronaldo, Julian Jasinski, David Christ, and Jenna Karate. You have 24 hours.
well, it looks like all 4 boys survived, and it was definitely for a good cause. Nice job, kids. Well, if you're still here, yes, this is me, the bunny, with my 4 grandsons, taken about 10 years ago. I dressed as the bunny and hid hundreds of eggs for probably over 15 years or more. And here's my husband, Tim, the love of my life, who passed away about a year ago. Over the years, he helped me hide many, many Easter eggs, and he may be gone, but he will never be forgotten. He is missed by our entire family, especially me. I love you, Tim, and we'll be together again someday. Happy Easter. Cinnamon and I want to thank everyone for watching. I appreciate you all so very much. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I will see you all very soon. Toodles!